Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Mr. Meat from the Escape Room horror game. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with the top of his eyelids. So I'm just going to draw kind of like two little curves like this. It's a little bit flatter. And then once you have that, we're just drawing his eyeball. So it's kind of have smaller eyes, so it's kind of like a small little half circle right underneath. And I'm just going to shade it in. I'll leave a little bit of a highlight. Alright, and then once you have that, let's go ahead and draw in the eyebrow. So right above his eye, I'm just going to draw one line across first. He's got really thick eyebrows. So from the center, we're going to go up and then slant up a little bit higher on the ends. And just come back down. Okay, so very thick. Slant up more, and then just come back down and close it off. Alright, and then let's continue on, and for his nose, right on the corner of the eye, just come down, make two little lines, and then we'll just round it off on the bottom. And then for his lip, just come down a little bit more. Just gonna draw like almost like a little sad face first. And then on the top here, I'm gonna draw one line across. And then from the corners here, just connect it to the ends right there. That's gonna give us the top lip. And then for the lower lip, we just draw one little line across. Alright, so now let's continue on with the head shape. So on the side here, just gonna draw one line going out all the way down to his mouth. It's a little bit bigger chin. Once you have this, just come back in. Again, really big jaw. And then we'll close this off. Okay, and then for the top of the head, just gonna keep going up. And then on the top here, just round it off. It doesn't have any hair. And then lastly for his ear, from the eye, just come across. Okay, here's his eye, just come across right here. Just draw one little curve. And I know it's got a little bit of facial hair, and well, actually we can do it right now. Just gonna add a couple of these dots or lines with my Sharpie. Alright, so that's his little facial hair, and let's move on to the body. So his body is really simple. Let's just draw in his shoulders first. So from the side here, just gonna go out nice and wide. And then we'll come all the way down to his hip. And he's got a bigger body, so this is gonna be kind of straight. Just kind of taper in a little bit on his hip. And then just come across. And let's just go ahead and finish up the belt here. So let's draw another rectangle right underneath. And then for the belt buckle, just two lines. And then right on the center, just a little rectangle. Alright, and then for the inside here, I'll start here, just kind of come in. This is going to be the shirt collar. And then from here, just come in and close it off. And then for the shirt collar itself, this little angle right here, just go out. And then from this point, just go back up into the shoulder. Alright, and he's got the little apron here. So in the middle here, I'm just gonna draw one line slanting down. So past the shirt collar, so from this line here, just draw one curve all the way across. And then for his shirt, lastly, just one line. Alright, so for his arm, so his armpit's right around here. Okay, so here's his shoulder coming down. This is still part of his shirt. curve down and then we'll just connect that. Okay, so here's the armpit for the other side. Just curve this down and then we'll connect that. I'll finish up the shirt. And then for the bicep area and the arm, it's a little bit more cartoony. So I'm just gonna come down and then close it off horizontally for his glove on the bottom. And then once we've done that, just kind of extend the line for his glove, and then we'll come in. So this is gonna be his wrist, right around here. Okay, and then for his hand, really easy. Here's his thumb, just come out, just kind of hook it back in right around here. And then just draw one line like this. That's gonna be the inside of his palm. And then here's the back of the palm. We'll just continue this. And then for the finger, we'll just keep it simple. Just kind of curve out. Same thing here, all the way to the tip, and just close it off. And if you want to add in one more finger, we can add just one little angle inside. Okay, so let's draw on the other side. So it's pretty much the same. We're just gonna curve down right around here, or just close it off. And this one's a little bit different because it's gonna be holding on to this big chunk of meat and bone. Okay, so extend that line, and then we'll pinch it in again to his wrist. And then now we're drawing his hand holding this thing. So right here, extend it down, little hook, and then this is gonna be his thumb. Just hook it back, and then right here, just one little curve in. So that's gonna be the palm. Okay, so this hand's a little bit trickier to draw. So for his other fingers, just right around here, just come out, just draw like a little rectangle right behind the thumb. And then I'm gonna add 2 lines just for the fingers. Okay, and then for the little bone area that he's holding on to, so I'm just gonna draw 2 lines going out like this and just close it off. And then whatever space you have here, just close it off. That's gonna finish up the hand. And just to show where we are, just kind of extend this line over here. So that's the bone part that he's holding on to. And then we'll close that off first. Alright, we'll draw that later. Let's go ahead and finish up the body first. So for his apron, we're gonna continue down. And then just come across and close it off. And then his leg's really easy, it's pretty straight. So we're just gonna, from the side here, just gonna continue the slant and then come in a little bit and finish up his leg. Close it off. Alright, so same thing here. Just continue that slant. Come back here. It's got skinnier legs. Close it off. And for his shoe or his boot, just come down and just come out a little bit more on this side and then close it off. Slant down, come out a little bit more, close it off. And then for his boot here, closes off right here. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the body. Let's finish up the little piece of meat that he's holding on to. So we just extend this, extend the line. So here's the meaty part. So I'm just gonna come across. It's basically a rectangle, just give it a little lump. And then right here, I'm gonna continue this line. And then on the end here, just 2 little bumps for the bone. And I guess for the details on the meat, we can add in just a few lines. All right, so now lastly, the little piggy right here. So right here, just draw a little oval. We'll keep it simple. So that's the head, and then on the inside here's the snout. Draw another oval. 2 little dots inside, and then for his eye, just come out here, 2 little dots. And then for his ear. And that is it for this Mr. Meat. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please check out my other videos, and I will see you next time.